Flawless skin is not just aspirational, it is achievable. And in a few steps, I'm about to show you just that. Start as always with moisturizing. And when you moisturize, start with the center of your face, working outwards, and then slowly downwards towards your neck. And don't forget to moisturize your eyelids and the under eye area as well. After your face has been prepped with a moisturizer, use a concealer that corrects your skin tone with a flat concealer brush. Begin by applying the concealer to the inner corner of your eye and all the way along your under eyes. Bring it down towards your cheek so it blends off well into the rest of your face. Now take a round concealer brush and blend off the excess so it appears natural. Make sure the product is properly blended and does not form any creases. Also apply concealer on your eyelid to make sure that the skin around the eye area appears even. Use the concealer on the sides of your nose, around the corners of your mouth, and just under your lips to correct any darkness or redness. Blend all of this with a rounded concealer brush. For any blemishes or spots that you might have, take a tiny amount of the concealer and go over them with the brush. Once the concealing is done, take a flat foundation brush and apply foundation evenly all over your face and neck. And to buff it off, use a stippling brush to get an even and flawless finish. I'm going to add a generous coat of mascara to both the upper and lower lashes. I have one little tip before I sign off. Don't use too much of a concealer because remember that concealers are heavier than foundations, and if you use too much, you'll end up looking cakey and lined.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned, stay glamorous.